Hello there! In the last video, we've set up the logic for our login component. In this video, we'll be designing the layout of our login page. Now, let's open up our text editor and open login component.html. Here, we've nested our app message inside a container which is positioned in the center of the screen. This container will only be centered only if the user screen is larger than large. Here, we've created a card below the app message with the heading text "Login" inside. Here, we've created the login form. This login form is pretty much similar to the registration form that we did a few videos ago. In this video, we've set up the design layout for our login page. In the next video, we'll be setting up the authentication guards for our Angular app.